Hey everyone, what's up? It's great to see you all back here at Miss Studio. We have an exciting topic lined up for today, and I can't wait to dive into it with you. Welcome back to Miss Studio. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future content. We cover everything you need to know about creating amazing YouTube videos. Today we're talking YouTube thumbnails. These little images might seem small, but they play a huge role in your video's success. Those little images? They're super important. They are the first thing viewers see, and they can make or break whether someone clicks on your video. Why? Because they get people to click on your videos. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, leading to more views and engagement. A good thumbnail makes a big difference. Trust me, I've been there. I've seen firsthand how a well-designed thumbnail can boost a video's performance. In this video, I'm going to break down how to make awesome thumbnails that grab attention. We'll go through the entire process, from brainstorming ideas to finalizing your design. We'll cover everything you need to know, step by step. From choosing the right images and fonts to using colors that pop, I've got you covered. Make sure you're subscribed to Miss Studio for more awesome YouTube tips and tricks. We post new videos regularly, so there's always something new to learn. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. Notifications will ensure you're the first to know when we drop new content. Now let's jump right in. Grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's start creating some eye-catching thumbnails that will make your videos stand out. First things first, size matters. You need your thumbnail to look good on all devices. Phones, computers, tablets, you name it. The right size makes sure your thumbnail doesn't get cut off or look blurry. The magic numbers? 1,280 pixels wide by 720 pixels tall. That's the sweet spot. Keep it in mind when you're designing. Remember, a clear, full thumbnail is a clickable thumbnail. Next up, fonts. They might seem like a small detail, but they play a huge role in your design. They're more important than you think. Fonts can set the tone and mood of your entire project. You want a font that's easy to read and grabs attention. The right font can make your text stand out and be memorable. But don't go crazy with tons of different fonts. Too many fonts can make your design look cluttered and unprofessional. Stick to 2 or 3 fonts max. This helps maintain a clean and cohesive look. Use bold, eye-catching fonts for your main text. This ensures that the most important information is easily seen. You want people to see what your video's about at a glance. The main text should be clear and prominent. Think clear, bold, and easy to read. Your audience should not have to strain their eyes to understand your message. And hey, a little bit of style never hurt anyone. Just keep it legible. Adding a touch of style can make your design unique and engaging. Remember, the goal is to communicate your message effectively. Choose fonts that enhance your design, not distract from it. So take your time, experiment, and find the perfect fonts that work for your project. Happy designing! Alright, let's talk images. High-quality images are key for awesome thumbnails. Blurry or pixelated images. Total buzzkill. Use sharp, eye-catching images that relate to your video. You can use your own photos, or find free stock images online. Sites like Unsplash and Pexels are your new best friends. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Make sure yours are saying the right things. Branding is huge on YouTube. You want people to recognize your videos instantly. That's where consistent branding comes in. Use the same fonts, colors, and style across all your thumbnails. Think of it like your channel's personality. It should shine through in every thumbnail you create. A cohesive look builds trust and makes your channel look pro. Text on thumbnails is tricky. Too much, and it's overwhelming. Too little, and nobody knows what your video's about. Find the sweet spot. Keep your text short, punchy, and intriguing. Use keywords that people might search for. A strong call to action can also work wonders. Think, learn more, or watch now. Now, you're probably wondering, Casey, what tools do I use to make these awesome thumbnails? Don't worry, I got you. Canva is beginner-friendly and has tons of free templates. Adobe Spark is another great option. And for the pros, you can't beat Photoshop. It gives you ultimate control over your designs. Experiment, find what works for you, and have fun with it. And that's a wrap. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you found it as exciting as I did. Now you know the secrets to creating killer YouTube thumbnails. From choosing the right images to adding compelling text, every detail matters. Remember, a great thumbnail is your video's first impression. Make it count. It's the gateway to your content, so make sure it stands out and grabs attention. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to Miss Studio for more epic YouTube tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Leave a comment below, letting me know what you want to see next. Your feedback is crucial, and I love hearing your ideas and suggestions. Keep creating awesome content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and creative inspiration. Until then, keep pushing your creative boundaries and never stop learning.